Hi guys, today we're going to be playing Gary's mod with our friend Budgie.
Yeah.
Right, now I have no idea to get out here. We're inside a horror map, Asylum.
Wait, I'm tricking.
Shout out to the guy who commented Sussy Among Us. I think it was like Pugly or something. Shout out.
Bro, you nearly made me spit out my up and go, so
Oh my god, I got through it, yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta somehow get through it. I didn't even know how though. Crouch. Move.
Get your gun now.
Look down here. I already have my Desert Eagle the whole entire time. Wait, how? That's a revolver. What was that? No, don't mean to shoot the light. Oh. They're locked. Yo, I got this. How do I equip it? Oh. Oh my god!
what was that?
Alright, this time you use the crowbar. You use the crowbar.
Bro,
Oh.
see the dead
If you
body?
use the crowbar, I'm gonna have the gun. Employee of the month, Adrian Graham. Can we get through this somehow? Right. How do we get? Oh, maybe use
I got it.
What'd you get? Oh. Yeah, just fly here.
Oh, climb up. Oh, no. Oh, the head gun.
Oh, crouch. Oh. Bro, you're just standing.
Same with you.
Yeah, that's something. What the? Yo, I'm coming back. Avenge of the Sith.
I'll just wait here on this conveniently, nicely placed. Oh, what the hell?
Oh my god, I need to get my gun again, which killed me. Oh my god, bro!
Oh!
Bro went toilet too hard.
Oh, you can drag the bodies! Oh!
Oh my.
Wait.
Wait, why this reminds me of Vault Tech.
Oh my bro, this is violent.
Oh, we're supposed to be able to get here across out here somehow.
Oh, I know.
Oh, the door.
Oh!
Was I face through
Lee! Bro, someone got impaled.
No. This reminds me of that Call of Duty mission. Or
Yeah.
the last of
that.
Us.
Oh. Yo, watch out.
Oh! No, that's a jumping head crab or something.
Head crab.
Oh my.
I don't know what can I say about this. Maybe just my imagination, or I just get crazy. I saw blood and dead human bodies everywhere. And on top of the things, I heard a girl screaming not too far from me. So I don't know what the fuck is going on.
Is he?
What?
What?
Where?
What? Help! Bro, that.
Did it close?
Oh, what the?
Oh, bruh. Is there anything important, or is it just an Easter egg?
It says, what is it?
I don't know how to get through. Let's just phase through. Oh, the head crab that
Yo, look through here! Look! Phase through the door here!
Run. They chucked a grenade in. Oh.
Well,
That's what you get. Did we just kill the last people here? Oh, the door actually opened.
oh.
Earth surrenders?
Wait, I'm coming back.
Why?
Where are you? Where?
The times Earth surrenders. That means there must have been a war between like planets and stuff.
Oh, that.
Computer. Right. There's nothing actually in here. Oh, behind!
I know where to go. What? Oh, no. I know where to go.
Oh.
Ow!
This way. Wait. Oh! Bruh. What? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I totally got through. I ran away. Oh my god, there was a monster. I am where I am. I killed all them head crab. I see the monster behind this glass. What shot me? Can't I fly? Oh my god. Wait, I'm lost. Oh.
Oh my. Where are you?
I'm coming this way.
Rusty, where are you?
I'm coming this way.
Okay.
Lol.
Lol.
What the?
What the?
What? Bruh.
Do
Bruh.
you know how skibbity you are being right now? You can close it off. Oh my.
Moves away! Oh my, bro, I killed so many. I slay at you. Oh my, do you really want to die, bro?
Or do you want to die? Which one?
Okay, I'm through.
I think you went to the wrong place. Oh yeah, we're supposed to go into the here. Yo! I just got so much loot from this dead guy.
Where?
In this room.
Where are you?
Oh, I already. So are we supposed to go up?
Hey, hey, hey!
Jump! Oh yeah, jump.
No, he's already.
I hear something breathing.
What's us?
No, it's like an accident. Wait, let me get a good gun. I'm running. Alright, go. Go. Bro, I always have to go. No, your turn now. Oh my. Oh, look onto the screen. Move out the way!
Oh my.
Where do we
What
go?
is that?
You're stuck. Oh. Oh, do we have to go past here? Wait, let me just look past. No, there's nothing in this room. Right here. Oh, what is that? A vent somewhere? Oh, I think this was just a detour. There's probably something here.
I think I know where. Wait, I saw another place. It was like blocked off, but like.
Where? Up here.
Nah, back at the jail cells.
That's really far. Yo, there's a guy.
Whoa. You evil person.
Where
I'll
the
go back
jail
to the
cells?
prison.
Is this it? Here?
No, somewhere back here.
No, where'd you
Yeah,
go?
it's here.
Where are you? Wait, I'm coming.
It's here. Alright.
What? Where are you?
It was like blocked off by crates, but like.
Where are you?
I'm back at the, just go back.
Where?
Over here.
Oh,
Yeah.
there.
Come on, just go. Oh, wrong. Oh.
Where?
Oh. Oh.
First one to escape. Wait. I messed up. Oh. First one to escape. Budgie. Wait. Run, boy, run. Mister, do you have anything in here? Wait, there's like buttons. There's like the buttons on the wall. Wait, there's like these buttons on the wall. Is there any last one? Oh, there's these like buttons. Did you notice them?
Oh.
Come back to where we saw that dead person on the chair. It's like buttons on the wall.
Yeah, no, where? Oh,
Like
yeah,
everywhere. And there's another one inside here. There's one outside on the front door. This is complicated. Here's my new human body shield.
So I guess we basically defeated it.
Oh, you're right, there's nothing.
So I guess we completed the game.
No, I'm flying down there. Oh, this is the end where I just flew. No.
Oh hell no.
Because I won.
Hell yeah.
I clipped to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. I'm leaving.